First time he's been out, so he hasn't seen people in a long time.
Oh. Hello.
Cooped up. Yeah. But he had his coat on.
What is this? Why are there so many cool cars here, homie? What is this? Is this your local car meet?
Yes, cars and bubble.
Something smells good.
I don't remember me. I had the black up for us.
Yeah, wasn't it this? Yeah, I was like, dude, bro, you guys went crazy, man. Remember? Yeah, vlog. This was that black wide body last year we were looking at. They changed it up completely, bro. 326 power wing and everything. Yeah, no, this is dope. Okay, so I guess this is our like weekly bubble tea meet, but this is the night before Driven, which is happening tomorrow, and I found myself in Toronto on a whim. But honestly, just chilling out. We're gonna be hanging out with the Akusha boys. So yeah, let me show you guys T's new car.
Why did my dog die?
This thing's in, man, what the hell are these kids up to?
What's inside, Birdy?
Why, what's so special?
Check it out, check it out, check it out.
Sure.
Get the clutch, a little bit heavy.
God, I am. This kid's collecting all the GTRs, man.
Brand new gauge cluster.
Bro, that's pretty heavy. What is that, like stage 3? God, I am.
Yeah, parking up at Yokohama tomorrow.
Really? Not your booth? So JDM. I love it, man. God, I am. God, I am. God, I am. Are you my friend? Are you my friend now?
Let's go on. Go test your luck. Test your luck. Test your luck.
Oh.
Pick a random number or pick a random stick. You get a number, and then you have like a fortune.
Okay, so I've never actually done one of these. I grab one.
Yeah. So you got
16.
16. So you get 16.
Okay, and then do I put this down?
Yeah, you just put it down. And just grab the card. See what you get. Oh, greatest luck.
Greatest luck, guys! We got the greatest luck. Bros, what a morning. You can already feel how hot it's gonna be today. But hey, what was I gonna say? Good morning. Alright, so right now me and Quan, oh brother, appreciate. Nice. I'm gonna be taking the Element today. The Fujiwara Element. And we're heading down to the venue early to set up for Driven. I was gonna say Calgary Driven, but we're in Toronto. I'm here for.
Okay.
Quan's gotta go set up the b-boy floor.
You got the dance.
Wait, are you literally just taping up cardboard? Or you got a floor?
I have a floor, like yeah.
I'm Rob.
Rob? Oh, nice to meet you, man. Pleasure. Yeah. here at Square One Shopping Center in Toronto, and pretty iconic spot because of those two. I forget what you call them. People are saying the Madonna buildings just because of the curvature. Wait, you're a local, bro. You should
Bro,
know.
I'm a local on the other side, man. I'm in Markham. I'm in Foodland.
I forgot what those are called. There was a term for them, but tons of the cars already set up here. And again, it's like multi-level parkade, so this is just one of the levels.
As long as you're not over like.
This weekend, we're gonna be chilling with the Kyusha boys and gals. Hell yeah, brother.
He's back with the vlogs.
Yeah, I'm actually
man.
vlogging now, man.
Damn, he's back with the vlogs.
These kids, like, okay, they come up to me and was like, can you please roast our cars? I'm like, I only have so much negativity to give to people.
Hey, we had to be different, man. Everyone asked, yo, rate my car, rate my car. No, we want him to roast it.
I was trying to
so
be honest, like treat it like an art crit. I'm like, eventually when I walk around it 2-3 times, I'll start seeing all the imperfections, but that ain't me, man.
Nah, he was holding back on us.
Super, bro. I was being generous.
He was, and I don't like that. Should have roasted the crap out of it, man.
It's okay. I'm gonna steal that footage from your vlog. We have come to the Supra aisle.
I like the two-tone effect from like the carbon hood to the rest of the car.
Yeah. I mean, that's it, man. I would keep it, right? Like, some people have carbon fenders. That's insane. Ayo, shoutouts.
Oh, yo, check out their yeah.
Wait, that's the that's the owner's car.
He loves marathon. Yeah.
It's like right across from where this kid's dancing.
Yeah, they're one of our sponsors for the event.
Oh, okay. No, that's awesome. And then, like, this is the owner's car. Like, what?
Car, yeah.
What?
Super clean, yo. Super clean.
So, guys, if you want a GTR, I mean, own a bubble tea shop.
Hong Kong milk tea. Hong Kong milk tea. This Hong Kong style.
Wish we were getting naughty. Oh, I'm just getting started. Thinking about how you feel so right. Been dreaming all night. Could you be mine?
Yeah, no, if you guys look really closely, most of the carbon is subtly painted to match the green. Sorry, what was the green color again? The
Birdy Hermes.
okay.
Birdy Hermes.
Yeah, what?
It's like an M4 color too.
Oh, got you. Yeah, that's right, man. No, honestly, clean build only.
I appreciate
That's
it, man.
crazy.
Thank you.
Finman on point too. So.
Famous now.
What the heck? You're gonna see your car on the vlogs, bro. No, man, it's super. Like, fenders, front bumper, and the hood and everything, man. Like, you have to go really close to even see it, but detail. Is that your business right now?
Yeah.
Dude, yo, respect, man. What's your name?
Dan.
Dan?
Yeah.
Pleasure, yo. Oh, really? Dude, look at this is a mobile business, man. If you want to get into detailing, this is what you got to do.
I find that one the tank today.
Yeah.
The tanks, the shoes.
Yeah.
Bought it today.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I was like, no.
So it's just like blue, so why not?
Just keep it in there, man. Yeah, for sure. Yo, Superwash Mobile, guys. Any Toronto locals who need help cleaning their cars, man. Honestly, like, to be honest, for anyone out there who's like questioning themselves on what kind of business to run, like, honestly, you don't need that many resources to just get one up and running.
I just have a basic ass car.
Work with what you got. Like, this is insane. Obviously, this took some work and he's probably been at it for several years, but he had to have built up to this. This is like thousands of dollars worth of business, just go mobile, right? So yeah, you can crush it if you really market it yourself. Yeah, yo, good shit, man. Honestly, I'm pushing more people to follow their business dreams, man. This is sick. All right, why you come back?
I plugged the wrong channel. My bad. I gave the wrong YouTube channel name. I plugged my old one, but I changed it. So subscribe to my new one, civilized.official.
Civilized official.
I can't even speak.
You want me to say it for you?
Civilized.official.
Alright, I got you. I
Alright,
got
thank
you.
you, brother.
On my IG?
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
shout out.
Just follow me, H3 Lancer, the wannabe Evo.
Canadian Tire Wheel.
Canadian Tire Wheels.
What the fuck?
You know what's cool about these driven events is they even got some b-boy and dancing going on, so it's more than just looking at cars. And honestly, how many times can you really go around the parking lot looking at cars? Unless you're really into this stuff and like look super deep into the engine bay and the interior, it's just a nice little break.
Yo, Birdy's in the house. Kings must walk. Bats are now. Check it out. He's at the pizza booth. You got Sarah Troy in the house as well. It's all about the dancing.
Miss Bow Wow, queen of the town, and your shades, tell 'em how I put it down.
That's the Roshi. How you doing?
Pizza and friendship. Oh my gosh. What's up, guys? Hey. Yo, I have a secret in for you guys.
Let's go.
Just carry that with you. Let's go. Let's go. I got my bubble teas here. Come on, guys. Come on in. Oh gosh, shit. Actually, wanna help me? I like this, the branding. Ooh, okay. I see. You were talking about this shit.
Sir.
Damn, son.
Oh shit, the bag.
Oh, I got it. Yeah, that's a team jacket.
Yes, sir.
Dude, I will happily rep that during the stream and shit. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Team jackets, bro. GG Nocturnal shouts. Hey. Also, this man is not from here, so he drove several hours.
deliver.
For real. Pizza. For real. Thank you. For real. Thank you.
How do you do it? I can't do this. It's too
No, isn't it a flippy screen?
It is a flippy screen, but it's hella awkward. Oh no, this ain't even a flippy screen.
It's not even not a real flippy screen. Welcome to the Fuchsia booth.
Welcome. We're selling Birdy stuff.
I did for my friends though. Oh, you did it. I had to.
Cheese.
Good, Birdy. Thanks for coming over. Straight from Calgary.
This thing is not focusing. I don't know how Birdy. Okay, no, I'm done.
Okay, so, truth be told, I didn't film as much as I would have hoped I'd film this weekend at the Driven event. All good. I think I was just chilling a little too much yesterday, but hopefully you guys got a little gist of the Toronto car scene. Today is my last day in Toronto. Right now I am just catching up with some of the edits while chilling with 3 Shibas. I don't understand why North Americans call it Shiba Inu when in Japanese Inu means dog. So you're literally saying Shiba dog. Well, I guess that kind of makes sense, but you know, it was good, homie. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I know. You're so good doggy. Thanks for keeping me company. Alright, so I'm gonna get as far into this edit as possible. Tonight we plan on actually going to Niagara Falls, which is I think like hour to 2 hour drive from here anyway. Never been in my entire life, and going at night I think it's like definitely different vibe, so looking forward to that. Quan is guessing 2 really crazy dancers. One's into b-boying and the other is popper locker, and we're gonna be hitting up their workshops today and trying to see if we can get back into dancing somewhat. I don't consider myself a dancer, but I showed interest in it when like ABDC was a thing, and I was like huge fan of the Quest crew. Watched it up until Poriotics was on there, and now everyone's doing their own thing, so we'll see, you know.
In the next life,
workshop was taking place at a studio called Just Feel It, and boy was this place beautiful.
Hey, Brett, this is Granny. I'm calling you because I just listened to your music. Girl, you were kicking it. I enjoyed it, Brett. I have Robin and I'm listening to it too. So we'll talk later. Bye-bye.
Nancy Spider.
My guy is on him, yo.
That's sick.
Shame. I did not end up dancing.
So, the Niagara Falls is just over here. A little bit chills though. Hey boys! This camera is actually amazing in the dark. Whew, there's like 0 lights in this park. And you guys still see me, right? I hope. Yo, that's pretty crazy, bro.
Walk a little down there, we can get a little closer to that side of the falls.
Hey, damn, it's just so cool. Crazy.
What's your go-to food in Japan? Go-to? Okay, mine was just ramen all day, every day.
What you doing?
Lawson?
Nothing, it's just water,
Lawson was my shit.
okay?
Yeah, bento boxes from there.
By the waterfall.
Bro, we have bougie water out here, okay?
Huge shout out to Quan for being a good friend, amazing host, and for introducing me to like-minded individuals that are just masters in their own crafts. It's inspiring to say the least, and if there's one thing I can take away from these trips, well, several things really. It's the new friends I meet along the way, and it's an opportunity to try and learn from the best, and to explore the world for what it is, because we only really got one lifetime to live, so there's really no time to waste it on things that make us mad or get us down. Honestly, I couldn't have asked for a better way to end my little time away from Calgary. We'll see you guys in the next vlog.